Good morning, everyone. Well, after quite a bit of rain last night in the Quad Cities, there's still some rain around this morning, though it's in the process of exiting the area. In fact, by 8 a.m., I think we're talking about just isolated showers still around, with the best chance east of the Quad Cities. So if you're in Kewanee, Geneseo, you have the best chance of seeing some showers. We'll leave the chance in for everyone for the morning commute, but I do think it is more likely that you will stay dry than see rain if you're headed out the door after 8 a.m. at least, because this area of rain is all pushing to the east. And I think it's going to exit after the early morning hours. And by 11 a.m., this model says we're completely dry. In fact, this model says we're going to stay dry for the rest of the day. Now, this is just one model. When you look at all the models, there are a couple still that are hinting that a few showers could still pop up because the cold front has yet to work over us. So that cold front is still going to be working over us late this afternoon. So it is possible it could generate a few showers, but it looks like the atmosphere is pretty stable. So there's not going to be much for it to work with. So I'm going to keep the chance in throughout the day once we get into the late morning hours for a stray shower here or there, but there is not going to be much. And there is a possibility that you could stay completely dry today. There's 11 a.m., there's 2 p.m. Notice this model, again, completely dry, but again, a stray shower or two possible. High temperatures today, again, because the front not actually arriving until the late afternoon, very similar to yesterday. I think a lot of us topping out in the low 80s, maybe some just in the upper 70s. There will be a light breeze around this afternoon with gusts getting up to 15 miles per hour, but that's it. So I'll keep the chance in there for a stray shower or two through the late afternoon. But I do think by 8 o'clock, the front will be clear of us by then, and that'll be it for the rain chance. And it's looking like a nice one tonight. Partly cloudy skies. Eventually, we'll be cooling down into the low 60s and looking like a fantastic Friday in and around the Quad Cities. Partly to mostly sunny skies, high temperatures mainly in the low 80s, though some might only top out in the upper 70s. And there's not going to be much wind, only around 10 miles per hour. Hopefully, we'll be able to get out and enjoy it.